Have you been uploading shorts that have not gone viral? Do you know there is a better way you can upload your shorts and then they will go viral? If you are one of such people, just stay tuned as I unfold what you need to do to upload shorts that can go viral. Hello lovelies, you're welcome back to my channel. If you're an old subscriber, thank you for always stopping by. And if you're new here, please click on the subscribe button and join this family and let's grow together. All right, so without any further ado, today I'm going to talk about how you can upload shorts the right way. Have you seen people's shorts going viral? Yeah, there's the right way to upload your shorts so that your shorts can go viral, and also the timing matters. And then there's a way you upload your shorts that you can attract viewers all over the world. The timing, the very first thing is the timing matters. All right, for me, I'm in Nigeria, and so if I want to target people from the US, Canada, and Australia, the time I would upload my shorts is key. So if I want such shorts to go viral, I love to upload my shorts around 6 in the evening Nigerian time, from 6 7. When you upload shorts like that, okay, let's say 5, you could start from 5 5 6 7 8. If you upload shorts like that, just go and sleep. The next morning you come back, you see that your shorts have gone viral. All right, so the timing matters. And then secondly, the way you upload it. To achieve this, we are going to get into the my YouTube studio, and I'm going to be doing a screen record so that I can show you step by step way of doing this. And so I'm going to see in my next video. Ensure you subscribe. Click on the subscribe button. It's free. Click on the subscribe button, like, turn on the notification bell, and share this video so that others can benefit from it. Bye. See you in my next video. I'm rooting for you. Bye.
This is a very detailed description on how to post a short on YouTube that will go viral. But firstly, subscribe, like, comment, and share. The first step to post a viral short is to open your YouTube studio and you see this page pops up. This page is basically analytics on your channel so far, every single thing that's happening on your channel. At the top right of your screen, you can see a plus in a circle. That is to create any post you want to make. So now tap on that. And then you see photos and videos from your gallery. Pick any of your choice to upload as your short. You can have your short captioned in any way you decide or strongly feel will make people want to watch your video by just viewing your caption. So now we tag this funny baby moment. The visibility right under Wise is where you decide if you want your shorts to be uploaded now or scheduled to be uploaded later on. So tap on it, public, anyone can view it. By setting your video to the second, which is unlisted, anyone with the link can view. However, if it is private, only people you choose can view that particular shot. But that's not what we're looking for now. We're looking for ways to make your shot go viral. So now you can't make it only people you want to view will be able to view it. Therefore, we are making it public. The last, which is scheduled, is where you choose the exact time and date you want your shots to be uploaded. Just swipe through or tap on a particular date. However, that's not what we're doing now. We're making it public, we're not scheduling it. The next thing on the list is audience. Make sure it's on no, it's not made for kids, to get to a larger audience. Related video basically is a feature that enables viewers to move directly to another shot that is related to the shot they are on. So now you have to make proper use of this feature. What to do? You have to tap on it and select any video of your choice that you have already posted. So now we choose that. Short remixing, allow video and audio remixing. The last on the list, which is also very vital, is your comments. Make sure they are always kept on, except you choose to turn them off. Ensure to recheck to be on the safe side. This is how you make a short that will most likely go viral. So now you tap on upload shorts. It uploads in no time as long as you have good network service. The short has uploaded, and viewing it from the YouTube app itself, we can see that it already has 3 views. If you can recall, I talked about related videos, and now this was what we chose. Tapping it directly takes you to another shot, and this shot has over 12,000 views. And tapping the other one directly takes you to this shot, which has 16,000 views. So you see the importance of related videos. That way your viewers can move directly from your shots to another of your shots. This is an update of the shorts and some proof for you. It doesn't only gain you views, but subscribers.
Bye. See you in my next video.